Now we are going to do the two set. This is the third one, two set. For the 2 1, 2 2, and 2 3, how to set the two set? Firstly, let's see the 2 1. Click the 2 1, and then we let this head go to the material. Because it's far, so we click 10 to move it. After it move to the material, because 2 1 is this one, so we need down. Please, because we are going to set focus, so we choose this cylinder lift. Click it, and you can see the knife is down. After we set the knife focus, please press it to be back, because it cannot automatic back. Let's it down, and to plus the G and G to let it because it's going to touch the panel. You need to adjust the step distance to be smaller. You can choose point 0, 0.1 to adjust it to just touch the surface of the panel. Let's mini move. I think okay. It's touched. Now it's just touch the surface of the target. For example, you put the target. Let's set it. Then we at this time you get the focus point. You click this one. Click set to depict. Are you sure want to set the to depict? Let's click yes. So machine will set it. And then we are going to set the to. It's the same. It's same because it's also the knife tools. So we firstly collect this one, and we plus. Please attention, we use that to. You need to let this head to be up. Oh, I have already set it up, and this position is not good to set this tool because here is something maybe cross it. So we leave there. We go far. That's a bigger step. We back, leave it, and then we down. And open the let cylinder down, and Z, press Z. Let's make the mini adjuster. Okay, I think it's going to touch. Not touch, please continue to be a little down.
这还不够接触吗？还是再下一点？
你就给他表示那个意思就行。
Oh, okay, it's already touched. After touch, then you set the tool. Set it. So it's the same. No matter 2-1 or 2-2, it's same. And 2-3 never had. 它上去了吗？上去。
切换的时候它就会上去，因为我们用的是左招。
And when you choose the 2-3, it will automatic up cylinder. And now we are going to set the 2-3 focus head. We can use this automatic focus block. This block need put over the MDF on this machine table. On this machine table, they will put a MDF sheet, and this focus block need put over that MDF block. Then it touches it and will autofocus. It will automatically save the focus height in the system. No need save.
我先给。